This is not just an IPO. It is the story of a man who taught physics from a bedroom and built 28,000 crore empire. Alakh Pandey, India's most trusted teacher, is now going public, and you get to be part of it. Alakh Pandey did not just start with funding, he started with frustration. He saw overpriced coaching, inaccessible education, and students left behind. So he picked up a whiteboard, turned on his phone camera, and started teaching. No studio, no script, just pure intent. His YouTube channel exploded not because of production, but because of connection. This is Chetan Mitlani, your host, and you started watching Your Money Insights YouTube channel. Facts about Alakh Pandey. He started teaching at a coaching institute when he was in 11th grade, but he officially began his career as a teacher at the age of 22 after dropping out of engineering college in his third year. Millions of students across India, offline centers in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities, a unicorn valuation in the year 2022, and now a whooping 3,480 crore IPO in 2025. PhysicsWallah did not just chase valuation, it chased value. The IPO that changes everything. Price band 103 to 109. Valuation 28,073 crore rupees. Dates 10th November for anchor investors. 11 to 13 November is for the public like you and me. Lot size 137 shares. Alakh Pandey's lip is selling 190 crore worth of shares, but his stake is still worth 11,458 crore. So he is not exiting, he is expanding from Physics Ka Pandeyji to IPO billionaire. This is India's most authentic EdTech story. Risk and realities. EdTech sector volatility, offline execution risk, regulatory scrutiny, but PhysicsWallah has one edge: students' loyalty. When millions trust your teaching, your business isn't just scalable, it is unstoppable. Investor takeaway. This IPO is a bet on discipline, trust, and timing. It is not about hype, it is about heart. If you believe in lean growth and founder-led conviction, PhysicsWallah might be your most meaningful investment yet. Subscribe to Your Money Insights channel for visual stories and strategic breakdowns. This is Chetan Mitlani, your host, signing off.